Are you guys ready? Yeah!
There's this one line that says failure gives you freedom.
I like to say you got hosted by Maggie Healy of all people. That is very brave of her.
We should be marrying the wrong girl. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Yet another Sunday dedicated to Taylorverse. It's 5th of October today. Taylor Swift dropped a new album, The Life of a Showgirl, 2 days ago, and it's a listening party sort of an event. It's a small event with 30-40 people. All of us are going to listen to the new music, discuss our thoughts and opinions, play some games, make some friendship bracelets like these ones. So it's going to be another fun Sunday dedicated to Taylorverse. I just love Taylorverse so much. They go crazy with their big events as well, and then they do these small lit events where you get to make these personal connections and just have softer discussions which you otherwise can't have with your normal friends because they don't listen to her. That's what today's vlog is going to be all about. I thought that I would go all dressed up. मतलब कपड़े तो मैंने यही सोचे थे, but I thought I would be more jazzed up, makeup करके पूरा, but I could not because कल रात को I did not sleep at all. I was on a night stay with my best friend and उसके चक्कर में मैं सिर्फ 3-4 घंटे सो के जैसे तैसे अभी उठ के आई हूँ. I almost woke up and cancelled the plan, but I was like नहीं, Taylor Swift का event है, जाना ही जाना है. So I'm barely managing myself, इसलिए there's no lenses, no makeup today. It's not a party, it's a small lit event, so I guess that doesn't matter. And I'm pretty comfortable in both my versions. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Shivani and I make beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm sure I'll have a great time here. Hit that bell icon as well so that every time I upload a video, you get notified. Now without any further ado, let's get into the vlog.
So how we'll go about this is that for some tracks where we would pause after every track, and if somebody wants to talk about that track, they can. It's not necessary for everyone to mention something. You can also keep your thoughts to yourself. But everyone is allowed to dislike a track or like a track because that's why we are discussing this. But one thing I want to ask everyone, and that should clear everyone's head, is how many of people over here dislike Taylor Swift? I'm talking about Taylor Swift as an artist. None? That's what matters.
We wouldn't be here. Yeah.
You can love your mom, but sometimes she might cook bad food or not food that you like, and you can dislike that, and that's perfect. That's a bad analogy, but you guys get it. So anyway, let's begin. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
I'm Taylor, the official question. This is something we've never done before, this whole thing where we get together in movie theaters for the first weekend.
How did they get this clip?
And I get to show you things that I am so proud of, that I've been working really hard on, and just try to surprise you guys with. Just I'm so happy that we can all be together for it. So thank you for being here. I hope you guys have a blast. I hope you sing along.
Woo!
On the megaphone.
All that time you cut along with my tower, you're just honing your powers. Now I can see it all.
No preference because I never talk all the I hope that you enjoy this brand new music video that I'm about to play for you in the theater right now.
Music video? I didn't know I'm going to get to see this today. Late one night. Oh my god.
Okay, thoughts on an addition to prophecy. Matlab, it's like the exact flipping narrative of prophecy.
Yeah.
I did not know this.
Okay, next one.
I would like to add another thought. Like, I feel that she has done the perfect blend of keeping the language very Shakespeare type and then also keeping it very modern. She has done that blend very well here.
Like in Hamlet, especially.
I think it's gonna be my favorite.
Okay, nice.
It's not just a tribute. I think it's also like she's also relating her life
Yeah.
to somehow. Like you like that lyric hit me hard. Like you're as hot as your last hit.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Sleepless in the onyx night, but now the sky's open like, oh, 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 my Lord. Sleepless in the onyx night.
I think yeah, the dancing was enough.
I want to add one
Oh, yeah,
thought
yeah,
if
sure.
no one else wants. There's this one line that says failure gives you freedom. And I feel that failure gave me the chance to live the life I truly want. So that line actually hit really hard.
So this kind of the entire bridge sounds like this is her telling Travis whenever he loses some game or something. It's like yeah, it will be fine. My
This
love,
is
yeah,
just a
fine,
straw in
yeah,
a teacup.
failure is giving you freedom. You'll be fine. And it's so sweet.
Yeah, it seems like a love song at first, but I think it's more of a motivational song.
Yes.
Yeah. She always says it's alright, it's very reassuring. But it's so cute that she says, even at the age of 34, 35, she says, my mama told me. That's so cute.
Yeah.
I feel it's a song, like in all her songs, even in happy songs earlier, there was some kind of anxiety.
Yes.
But in this song, this is pure happiness.
Yeah.
joy.
Zero.
You made a deal with the skeletons of my figure. You wanna fight from it. So I was your father figure. You pulled the wrong trigger. This empire loses me attention.
There's so many speculations, but who knows the real cause?
Taylor Swift.
I'll start by saying fuck Scott Busher. Scott Busher.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you if it's about Olivia.
Because in the first verse she talks about someone else saying that to her as a father figure when she's starting out in the
Yeah,
industry.
because she said I saw potential in all.
Yes, but this is under quotation. Someone else saying that to her when she enters the industry. I'll be your father figure. I make deals with the devil because my dick's big. You just come and give me your loyalty. But in the end, she's telling that I'm your father figure. You drank that brown liquor and then your check got cancelled because you all like betrayed me and all. So now my dick is bigger and I'm your father figure now.
Especially the way she says you pulled the wrong trigger.
Yes.
It feels like galat panga le liya tumne types. So that felt very satisfying.
Another answer is there was just one line in the song which is they want to see you rain, they want to see you rise but not rain, which I feel like is very activating to what she has been through. So yeah, that was really amazing.
This is very music industry.
When she says that this empire belongs to me, who is she saying this to as a younger artist? Even if it's Olivia or which is not
That's possible.
Yeah.
I think the empire is going to for a master's because she got it done.
but she is not even one line about getting a master's.
Jai Mata Di.
She says 6 times, but like the family in the song. So
Yeah.
it's to her master.
Yeah.
But I don't think so. It's not true because she got her master's in around March 2025 and she finished it in December 2025.
She referred the engagement, which was in August.
She said she wanted the engagement.
But
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
To know.
she did say that she was right. Boy, Big Boss news.
Raise up.
recording.
Yeah, but the song is future. Let's discuss. Speaking on a dead person like that, and the person that you wrote forever with, speculated. I mean, whatever you are talking about somebody who passed.
But to go out on public to say you got ghosted by Matty Healy of all people, that is very brave of her.
But hold on, is it just about Charlie Kapoor's
No.
sympathy is
Sympathy is
nice?
nice.
Or is there more gossip to it?
It's not a response to sympathy. It's definitely not a response.
Oh yeah,
That song sounds like that, and also this. To me, this is like a best song because this song is about the life of a showgirl. It's not just about being a showgirl. That's why it's more about her own life behind the scenes.
What goes on in her head?
It's just a bunch of luxury brands glued together to make a song.
I also would like to say, for a woman who prided herself being a childless cat lady as a diss to the conservatives, now pandering on, like making fun of people who want dogs as their children, not it.
That's not making fun.
She said that, na?
She just mentioned it.
She just mentioned it. She was not making fun.
Not that you can call your dog she responds to conservatives.
Okay, everyone's attention. She doesn't want to focus on songs. Now we have
Good things I like my friends cancel. I like him cloaked in Gucci and his scandal. I like my whiskey sour and poison tawny flowers. Welcome to my underworld.
This song is everything we were expecting when we were thinking about Reputation Taylor's version, and it's so much better.
I honestly think it could be, at least melody wise, it could be one of the wall tracks that you might have, at least melody was same.
Yeah.
It sounds like.
This feels so epic, like it's should be a movie track or something.
Well, I think this song, because it's sonically so catchy.
I think that the lyrics "Shattered glass" is a lot more sharp. That deserves appreciation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did Travis understand?
I think this one has easy words. Yeah, I was going to say that just gave me goosebumps. Oh, that's nice.
What I want to play is, I just want everyone to vibe because let's play the original old track that we actually have memorized, right?
Yeah, you're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. Everything will be alright if we just keep dancing like we're 22.
So guys, those who don't know me, I'm Urvi, and here's my debut book. It's a collection of 51 poems in it, and it travels a journey from loss, hurt, anxiety, trauma, depression to love, healing, friendship, and all stuff. So it's basically, like I learned from Taylor all these things. Like how to express yourself through lines and rhymes. So what I did is it's the exact same thing, Like all this poetry have some sort of my emotions in it, whatever I felt at one point of my life in any sort of situation. So I do want you guys to read it, and I mean, buy it from Amazon, Flipkart, or the Dream Book Publishing website itself. And I do have 5 copies right now if somebody wants to buy it right now. Poetry is related to me in my life, which I learned from Taylor. So yeah,
Exactly what I do.
should read it.
I think I've been a little too kind. Notice you walking on the shelf.
एक ग्रुप पे group pic, yes, group.
I bought the book, guys. She's signing it for. Oh, thank you. Another kind of boy who should be marrying the wrong girl.